Howdy ho, neighbors. Mark Fuqua here with you, M&D Enterprises and Lawnmower Shops. I'd like to talk to you today briefly about why we no longer carry Big Dog mowers. Several of my friends and our great customers have asked. Obviously, we spent several years building that brand throughout Western Oklahoma. Spent a lot of money, a lot of time, energy, and effort because it was such an exceptional brand. But what it was a hustler with some minor changes here and there, major changes in other, and the big thing with it was that it came with a longer warranty than most of your standard mowers. What has happened is Stanley Black & Decker has purchased XL Industries, which manufactured Big Dog and Hustler, and they also have purchased Cub Cadet and DeWalt, as well as MTD and a few other major brands, as they want to become the largest player in the outdoor power equipment space. And so they made this move acquiring these companies, and in that process determined that while we were a top 10 in the nation Big Dog dealer, and that was a huge part of our sales, nationally it was not a huge part of Stanley Black & Decker or XL sales compared to the Hustler units. So what they did was they revamped the Hustlers, made them look exceptional, actually even nicer now than what the Big Dogs looked, and added some nicer amenities and some better quality to the product. And we now have what I feel like is a premier mower in the Hustler mower. And we've always sold a bunch of Hustlers. They've been around forever. They were actually the original zero-turn mower in the industry. A lot of people don't know that. But sometime many years ago, the founder of XL developed the Hustler zero-turn mower, and they were the first one in the market to come with that. So we feel good about it. It's not pleasant, it's not convenient anytime you have such a large part of your business, a brand that has been so popular out here, and would like to think we helped develop that brand here. It was pretty well unknown, but nonetheless, it is going away. So we will have all of our focus on Hustler and the other brands that we will have available for you.